Good morning, my dear children. In previous class, we already complete our chapter number 8, that was the app development. Today we will start a new chapter, that is e-commerce. What is the meaning of e-commerce and what is e-commerce? In this chapter we will learn what is e-commerce, modes of e-commerce, advantages of e-commerce, this type of things, online business like this. So first is, what is e-commerce? You already know about our business through by internet or the term internet. Now internet is a term that spread all over the world. Everything is possible through by internet. So e-commerce, the term e-commerce means electronic commerce. Commerce means trading or business system in an electronic process. When we complete the commercial system or trading capacity, that is known as e-commerce. That is a type of industry where we buying or selling of product or services through by electronic system, which is continued through by computer network. So electronic commerce draws on technologies such as mobile commerce, internet marketing, electronic data interchange, that is EDI, that is automated collect our data. When we marketing or business with through by internet, it we give the data, personal data, and we fill up the form, and that's the internet receive our data or information. Electronic commerce is generally considered why to be the sale aspect of e-business. Then it also consists of the exchange of data to facilitate. Now that means the important thing, that is e-commerce is a business system through by a computer network. So what is the modes of e-commerce? There are different types of modes like B2B, that means business to business. Second one, that is B2C, means business to consumer. The third one is C2B, that means consumer to business, and the last one, that is C2C, consumer to consumer. So first we will know the first thing, that is B2B, means business to business. So what is business to business? Companies doing business with each other, that means the factory or the company that contact with each other through by internet to another company or distributor, that is company to company, that business is known as B2B or business to business. Then business to consumer, when business selling or general when public contact with direct business or company, that is known as business to consumer. Then consumer to business, like a consumer post his product like OLX, when we sell our old thing through by internet, that is the consumer to business. We want to sell our thing and purchase a new thing, that is consumer to business. We contact with the company directly. Then the last one, that is consumer to consumer. There are many sites offering free classified auctions and forms where individual can buy, sell, thanks to online payment system like PayPal, where people can send and receive money with online cash. Generally, we purchase many things through by consumer to consumer, the C to C method. Now, what is the advantage of e-commerce? Overcome geographical limitation. That means we know all the thing in all over world. Then gain new customer. We also get new customer. Then lower cost, from market price we get low price. Then locate the product quickly. We get the product very quickly. Then eliminate travel time and cost. Generally when we go to buy anything, we spend some time or also the money, and we through by e-commerce system we save our time also cost. And provide comparison shopping, we also compare many things at a time through by internet. Then we enable deals, bargain, coupon, group buying. These सब things are facilities in e-commerce system. Provide abundant information, it also gives the perfect information. Then what is the mode of payment system? We pay with credit card, smart card, digital or electric cash, electronic check and electronic wallet. What are the things? First, credit card. Credit card, that is a consumer want to purchase a or product or service, they simply send the credit and details to the service provider. In credit card it also a balance, and using this number we can purchase anything. Smart card. Smart card is another card. These cards are debit cards and other card products enhanced with microprocessor capability. That means we purchase the thing and the cash automatically cancelled from our account. Then digital or electrical cash. It allows different types of scheme that a person to pay for goods or services by transmitting a number from one computer to another, like Google Pay, Phone Pay, like this. Then electronic check, we give check. Then electronic wallet. What is electronic wallet? This is a payment scheme such as CyberCase Internet Wallet. It store our credit card number and also payment for the thing. So these are the system for payment and also types of e-commerce system. In next class we will know some other thing. Thank you.